So we're going to consider all possible splits and determine the Gini and entropy for all possible splits, and then select that split which is best at this point. And once again, to do the computations, we need the two pivot tables that we constructed in sheet 1. So let's go ahead and do it again, so we don't have to keep going back to the previous sheet every time we need something. So there it is, the first one. Okay, first one is with income, okay, ownership, and you bring in ownership again, so you get pivot table for one predictor, ownership, and we do another one. Put that right here. Okay. And this time it will be lot size. Okay. Okay, now we want the possible splits. Okay, we want all possible splits, right? So these are the candidates. Okay, so we have income as the predictor. Now left side node and the right side node. So left side node, we will have less than or equal to a given number, and then greater than that number will be the right side node. Okay. In your textbook, they have the midpoint between two possible values as the value to split, okay, which is to make sure that there is no value that is right on the splitting value. So we're going to use less than or equal to and greater than, which will accomplish the same thing, right? So instead of having to type everything, I'm going to set up a formula like this, less than or equal to. Okay, so that is, when you start with an equal to sign, then that would be included, and you can use the ampersand sign for concatenation, and we will do G9. So the content of G9 will be concatenated with that. So if you want to put a space here, we can do that. Alright, so row labels. So which means it's not G9, it must be G10. So we'll start with G10. Okay, and I'm going to edit that and put it back here, and let's do greater than. Now if I copy that or down, so I'll have up to G31, right? Alright, so now we have to go only till 108, because 108 split at 108 will split everything less than or equal to 108 on one side and 110.1 on the other side. If you go down to less than or equal to 110.1, so that would be the root node itself. Okay, so there won't be any split. So you need to go down only till that point. So, and those are the splits for income, right? And we have lot size as the other predictor, okay, and that would be L10. Right? And the right side for that will be greater than L10. Now once again, we should stop one short of the last one. So 22.4 is where we need to stop. Okay, so there we need to stop. 22.4 and then 23.6 being the arrow. Okay. So now these are the possible splits with only two predictors and each having a set of values. So there are 38 splits possible and we have enumerated all of them. So now we have to compute the values Gini and entropy for the left side and for the right side, and then find a weighted sum of the two Ginis and the two entropies weighted by the proportion of records on either side.